All right, so first up is the laser cutter. So this is a pretty cool device. So it can cut material that is up to 2 feet by 4 feet long. So that is what I use to cut all the custom mounts on that laser cutter. It's been a good machine. A couple games here that I need to get done. Those are here's my stock, got lots of LED panels here. And then over here, here's all the material. So this is hardboard I use for the back of the Pixelcade mounts. And then the acrylic, translucent, as well as matte. Lots of different mounts there. Haven't had a chance to unbox these yet, but these are 28-inch custom LCD bars. I get these custom made from China. Those are custom made to flush mount into a Rec Room master's cabinet. So custom made LCD bars there. Got to get this unpacked. And here's a little workshop I had built. So this is where I do all my prototyping. So I've got lots of parts there. Sorry, this is a bit of a mess. But this is a great, nice workspace. There's an IR arcade. At some point I'm gonna have a topper out for that one I'm working on. So that is my humble abode where all the work happens on Pixelcade.